strong latte.
Thank you. Beautiful. Good morning vlog. We are down here for breakfast this morning. Willie's just laying it all out. He loves buffets. So I got some fruit, nuts, and bircher muesli. We've got our coffees and juice. They do in this hotel, and it's probably everywhere, but kiwi is a national fruit, and they do kiwi juice. It's so delicious. Oh my god, I've eaten half this fruit bowl. And he's just got some hot food and he's getting eggs. I just leave it to the master, right? He's brought all his stuff out. He loves doing this. He gets me spreads. And this is like our European breakfast. Mine's in Paris. Yum! Look at all this yummy food. Bon appetit! And we have hot breakfast.
It
looks awesome.
You guys are coming second.
We haven't eaten for a while. Thank you. He's not doing an OOTD with me. He didn't sleep well last night, so he's not in the best of moods. But I'll do an OOTD because I'm in the best of moods because I am going to get, I'll tell you an itinerary in a second. This is my cotton on jean jacket, which I am absolutely obsessed with. If you want an affordable jean jacket, cotton on boyfriend, I think it's called, is so amazing. Underneath I have J'adore L&M. Oh, sliding into my DMs, girl. I have cotton on, I have L&M J'adore long t-shirt, which I love. I have my cotton on high-waisted black jeans, my Gucci Ace with the B, this amazing bag, which, hush hush, you will see in a video coming up, so don't even worry about it, girl. I'm not going to even talk about it, girl. I'm not going to get you thirsty for it, girl. Then I've got my Gucci Marmont brooch and my Gucci stars. Oh, okay, stars and GG square sunnies, and my dancing husband next to me. And we are going, let me tell you the itinerary on the road. Okay, do it into the light. Do it into the light. Do it into the light. Who the man? Who the man? You the man. You the man. Ooh. Ooh, who the man? Champ's here. Come on, he's hyping himself up. Oh, that's rude. That's so rude.
I swear I like your style. Put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I run the world.
Oh my god. I wish I had a cat. Oh my god, Willie, are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure, bro? Oh my god, these are called city scooters and we are gonna ride them. Get out.
I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you I feel too high. I feel too high. Yeah, it's going on with you, I feel high. You got me going crazy, stone cold. I'm not keys crazy. If you run, then I'm chasing. Girl, you number one, I know that you're crazy. I swear you got me high and I ain't talking about no drugs. So all I need is you, I swear you love me.
Alright, we're gonna get a nice wash and blow out by Ruby here today. I think we're gonna do a nice soft waves.
It's 2 AM outside, when I'm with you I feel way too high. It's 2 AM outside. I feel too high.
Hi, Auckland Louis. Just trying on the multi-pochette. Just kidding. Oh, my hair feels so nice. This is such a pretty boutique. Really like these. Pretty awesome science, like the fact that the lenses have that. Yeah. But the aviators, yeah. Just try those ones. They're square. See, I love that. That. Willie is looking at a new briefcase. Can't decide or can't. I don't know, I won't treat it nicely. I'll throw it around. Anyway, that's the eye carry behind in the monogram. That also comes in damier graphite. This is the Voyager in the monogram with the black. I'm sorry, in the damier with the black. And that's a keyboard 45 I'm just looking at. You is a very fluid concept right now.
Very fluid concept.
He goes, that's very me. And then he goes, actually I don't know what, I don't know what me is.
I think me has different faces.
Yeah.
I could be like business me, I could be like travel me.
Oh.
I could be going out me.
Oh, the zhuzh me.
I think I need one of everything.
Oh, okay.
I can't believe you made my sister cry by giving my other sister a present.
When I gave my sister-in-law the never folded iron box for you guys, my middle sister-in-law from Dubai cried. Sophia, who is the SA who is helping me today, bought this out.
The first?
No. Oh God. And then this is it in damier with pink, which I've not seen it in damier before. Very cute, very cute. Okay, let's try this on. Cute. My God, it's actually so big. How does Karis wear this, babe? How do you wear this? It's actually really big. Like, I'm tall, guys. I'm big. And look at it. It's bigger than a Speedy B25. Oh wow, no, it's too big, girl. Wow, it's crazy. It's cute though. Oh my God, look at my hair. It's washed and blow dried. Love it. Pierre has helped me out so much. I'm putting on my vlog, is that okay? Yeah. If you come to Auckland and if you come to Auckland, Louis, ask for Sophia. She's super helpful. I have been misleading you guys. In my Vlogtober earlier, I told you that my Voyager pouch, this one, is like the GM size, which it is originally. But they've realised that this is for 13-inch MacBooks, snug, or 13-inch computers. So they've made a 15-inch. Oh yeah. Cheeky pickup with Sophia. Can't leave Auckland without getting some Vuitton. My best friend with me. Yeah, right. He's like, let's go get some lunch. Thank you so much. Thank you. We have just come into this amazing restaurant Willie found across from my hairdresser's. Looks like the most amazing pastries. Oh my God, I'm so excited to eat. This restaurant is called Omano.
Yes.
What are your thoughts?
Amazing. Everything I want in a restaurant.
Oh, hurtful.
No, as in super high ceilings. The decor is in an old building, like it's French provincial, old or Italy, like that old building with the structures and the architraves, and then you've got these incredible arches. I'm not an arch man, but if I was ever to have arches, these are the arches I would get.
Open kitchen.
Like open kitchen, but like a deep, super deep open kitchen, which means you've got a back bench, you've got your cooking space in the middle, then you've got a servery, but all open. A lot of things hanging.
A lot of division of seating. Like you've got what feels like restaurant seating here, and then bar seating.
And then behind that there's a closed kitchen, which is their bakery. And on the side they serve coffee and bakery and quiches and pastries and things like that.
So if you come to Auckland,
and the detail in the like glass
is
and the
exceptional.
handles and everything.
If you come to Auckland, you have to come to this restaurant. If like it's a little bit of a splurge, it's not cheap by any means. So if you come here, if you want kind of a rustic fine dining kind of experience, this is amazing. Can't wait till the food comes out, we'll show you. Okay, so Willie ordered, as usual, you get the chef to order. So he got, what did you get?
I got the raviolo,
Which is
one ravioli.
With mushroom.
One raviolo, sorry.
One piece of raviolo. This is the asparagus dish, which looks amazing with pecorino, I think. And I got the beef, how do I say it?
The rest is coming.
Agnolotti. Oh, and
oysters.
Will's ordering those.
Stracciatella.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Delicious.
May I please grab some butter?
Buffalo mozzarella. He got his oysters. He loves oysters. And yum, look at this dish. Look at this table, look at this lunch. Yum. Oh my god. The lady last night at the crab place was like, are you sure you want to order that much? And William said, I'm on a food safari. Oh my gosh, Willie. Yum. Beautiful, yummy, delicious cakes. So what are they?
That's a gluten-free hazelnut and chocolate little muffin thingy. That's called a choux, which is a praline caramel something or other.
Yum.
So let's kick it. So you break this.
Oh my god. Okay, hi guys. We are just about to head out on the road and shoot a blog post for a partnership that I'm doing. Yay! Okay guys, I'm gonna have to end this vlog here. We are so bloody tired. We just got burgers for room service in the room. We're gonna eat this and go to sleep. It's late. We're so tired. We will see you in tomorrow's vlog, guys. Bye.